Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop online WhatsApp store builder. Example of this kind of script is WhatsStore SaaS. WhatsStore SaaS. Now, let's just look at our demo link. How our site is going to look after developing it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this is how it's going to look like, the demo site. That's the demo login. Now let's go back to our site. Some features of this site: multi-store and multi-theme, a comprehensive dashboard, custom domain and subdomain, 7 themes with 5 color options, full white label store setting, and other features of this script. So kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. On my cPanel, I go to my file manager. On my file manager, I go to my subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes, which is this. Nice. I've already uploaded my script. Let me start it. Let's start files. So next I click on close. Here is the started file. Now is the folder. I open it. I'm going to select all the components in it. That's the directories. I move them to the root folder. Move files. Now I click on back. After that, I copy my subdomain. Let me open a new tab, paste it there, and enter. So next I click on check requirements. Now all are set. I click on check permissions. Okay. My storage framework logs upload all need the permission of 777. So let me go back to my file manager. Storage. Here is it. I'll give you permission of 777. Save. I open my storage framework. I give the permission of 777. Do the same thing for my framework logs and uploads. Uploads. Save. Next, I will go back to my bootstrap, then cache. I click on back. Now let me go back. Bootstrap, cache. I give it 777. Save. After bootstrap cache, next one, resources lang. I click on back. Resources lang. Save. So now let me refresh this. All are set. So I click on configure environment. So that's how you want to configure the apps .env5. Let me say form wizard setup. Now I will go back to my database, my cPanel, then I will create my database. So let me go back to my cPanel. I'm going to databases, manage my databases. Now let me name my database as WhatsStore SaaS. Let me see like this, DB. So I click on create database. Database created successfully. So next I click on go back. After that, I will go back to create my username. Creating my username, user. Okay, good to go. I click on create user. User created successfully. I click on go back again. Now after creating my user and my database successfully, I'm going to add my user to my database. So I'm scrolling down to add them. I'll make sure I select the one I just created. I click on add. I give up privileges, scroll down to make changes. So success. Now let me copy my username. Let's here. Database port, yes. Database name. Let me say this. Username. So yeah, yes. All assets, localhost, yes. App name, let me see, WhatsStore, yes. Now I click on install. Okay. Before super admin created, super admin, okay, at example.com. Before admin created, owner at example.com. Now all assets. No, so I now just what I'm going to do next is just for me to close this. Click here to exit. So now I can now log in. As you can see, it looks like the one that we showed earlier. So I can just say logging in. I can just log in with our credentials. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I've installed this script successfully. If this video is helpful, use our buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Then next I click on login to login. Now this is my dashboard. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also again, if this video is helpful, use our buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you. And you can also use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help me install your scripts.